New cases of coronavirus show no signs of slowing down in Latin America. In Argentina, which had largely kept the outbreak under control, this has meant a return to lockdown restrictions for 2 weeks as cases there are once again on the rise.
The
big problem we have had in the last 15 days is that we all relaxed. We all felt that the situation was contained, and the situation is not contained.
A lockdown in Colombia was also recently extended through the end of August. Colombia is among the countries in South America showing the most alarming rates of contagion.
There are people who don't follow the rules. They go out even without a mask or use it incorrectly. So we're in a complicated phase of the pandemic, and there's a lot of contagion.
Latin America is home to an estimated 8% of the world's population, but accounts for nearly a third of the world's coronavirus deaths, with Brazil and Mexico making up a majority of the fatalities in the region. In the case of Brazil, the government has faced heavy criticisms for lacking a unified approach to containment efforts, with President Jair Bolsonaro, who caught COVID-19 himself, often appearing in public without a mask. The same is true in Mexico, where the country's president often makes statements that contradict health officials, such as the recommendation that people wear masks to prevent the spread of the virus.
Me voy a poner un tapaboca.
You know when I'm going to put on a mask? When there's no corruption anymore. Then I'll put on a mask. Then I'll stop talking.
The UN warns the impact of the pandemic on Latin American economies could amount to a 10-year setback in terms of GDP. Yet as countries work to reopen businesses, the seemingly unstoppable wave of contagion that's gripped the region is making these efforts near impossible. Manuel Rapalo, Al Jazeera.